This is snow.
This is a snowman. This, is a sled. This, is a pine tree. This is hot chocolate. This is an ice skate. This is winter. See you in winter. This is a leaf. This is a pumpkin. This is a tree. This, is a scarf. This, is an acorn. This is a lantern. This is autumn. Goodbye, friends. What? This is a flower. This is a butterfly. This is a tree. This is the grass. This is a bird. This is the rain. This is spring. Spring.
This is the sun. This is an ice cream. Ho, ching. This is a hat. This is a watermelon. This is a fan. This is a bicycle. This is summer.